Magento 2 Call for Price extension by Meetanshi allows store owners to hide product prices and add to cart button, to replace with call for price button or label, to encourage users to contact for product prices. Let's configure the extension. First of all, go to Stores, Configuration, Meetanshi, Call for Price, enable the extension. Select Call for Price scope, for which you want to enable the extension. Select one from the button or label, as you want to show call for price in the front end. Add call for price button text. Select customer groups, if you want to enable the call for price for specific customer groups only. Add call for price form title. Let's configure admin email settings, to receive the call for price inquiries on email ID of the admin. Set a valid email ID. Select email sender and template. Configure auto-reply settings, to send acknowledgement email to users, after they submit the call for price inquiries. Select email sender and template for the same. Enable privacy checkbox, to comply with EU's GDPR. Add privacy text and select the page on which you want to redirect customers to read the privacy policy. To avoid spammy quote inquiry submissions, enable Google reCAPTCHA in the call for price form. Add your site key you got while registration with Google reCAPTCHA, and save the configuration. Now let's see how call for price works. In front end, you can see the call for price button enabled on the category page, as we have set to show call for price as button. Move to the product page and you can see the call for price button here as well. Click the button to open the call for price form. Enter the personal details along with the quote inquiry. Agree to the privacy policy and verify the Google reCAPTCHA. Submit the form and you will get the success message. In the backend, move to call for price inquiries, where you can see all the submitted call for price inquiries enlisted. You can select and delete already quoted or useless inquiries using the mass delete action. Apart from this, admin also gets an email for the new inquiry with the details of the quote inquiry. Also, the users get an acknowledgement email after the successful inquiry submission. So, what are you waiting for? Get call for price and encourage your potential customers to contact you for the quote. Thank you.